So I ask at the point of opt-in, I ask three questions. The first question is about what are you looking for my help for most, right? What
Hmm.
is it you need now? And there's three options. The first is audience growth. The second is about conversion from subscriber to customer. And the third option is automation. So they
Hmm.
choose automation for the first 4 months. Every Tuesday, they're getting an email, my best of emails on all things automation. So my thinking is if you join and you say, hey, I need help with automation. Hey, I use ConvertKit. Hey,
Hmm.
here's like the kind of business I run. I want to make it so the welcome sequence is going to be very dialed into how I'm going to help you better automate your business because that's what you want. And every Tuesday for 4 months, every single email you're going to get is about automation. It's not going to be about growth. It's not going to be about sales. It's automation. People tend to like that. And the data shows that it's been a good call to do that. So
Do they know that those Tuesday emails are best of, or do they just think that half of your newsletter happens to be about automation or whatever they selected?
yeah, I mean, it shouldn't surprise anyone that when they opt into my list and when I kind of
Right,
about that,
right.
that I'm doing that. But no, my thinking here is that most of us are creating effectively evergreen content, unless you're
Hmm.
talking about stock fluctuations or world news. Pretty much a lot of what we're talking about doesn't change day to day.
Yeah.
So my thinking here is, does anyone care if I wrote the email this morning or 6 months ago? And I kind of, the benefit I think of this too is that if you think about a good book, it's curated. Like it's ordered in
Hmm.
such a way that where the subsequent chapters build on the previous ones. So I'm kind of able to do that where when I ordered these best ofs, it starts foundationally and kind of moves into, so as I start dropping like jargon and kind of like more Brennan ways of describing things, like I want to set that foundational stuff early on so that later emails make a lot more sense. So yeah, I've not only done a best of that's niche down to their need, but I've also organized them in a way that I think makes a lot of sense.